Now I bet you can't guess what's in here. This is a Paragon SC3 Kiln. It's used for glass, precious metal, clay, jewellery. I like to describe it as being a lunchbox size inside, and I'll show you that as well. Actually, I lied. There's no kiln in here at all. What I've got in here, because it was quite difficult to get out while it was on the bench, so I've got that on the floor, but I'm going to show you the instruction manuals and the packaging that it comes in. The packaging is injected into the box around the kiln, so it's very well protected for transit. This is the kiln. Now I'll show you inside. That's what I mean by lunchbox size. It also comes with a little fibre shelf, but you can get additional furniture kits to go with these as well. Back to the unboxing. Going through our manuals here, there are a couple of manuals. First of all, we have the peephole plug, which when unwrapped will fit into that hole there. We also have this amazing inspection report, which details all the different people that you had inspect your kiln, manufacture your kiln, quality check your kiln. Paragon thanking you for your business. Now the first manual we have is the general manual. Now this goes through the general instructions, troubleshooting problems, overfiring, annealing, all the sorts of things that you can want to know about your SC3, SC2 kilns. Comes with a wiring diagram. This is also available electronically, so let us know if you need one of those. The second manual is the Century Express controller manual. That's specific to this 3-key controller down here. Now what that runs through is all the different programming techniques and different ways of customizing your ramp hold programs. A cheat sheet to stick on your wall next to your kiln, that'll show you just at a glance how to get your kiln going. Almost last, we have the ramp hold firing program profile sheet, so you can fill out on these forms the different firing settings that you've used and keep track of the success or failure of your firings as you go along. You also have the warranty card, which should be filled out and sent off to Paragon. I hope that's given you a bit of an outline of what an SC kiln is all about. They also have options with bead doors and windows, depending on what it is that you're using the kiln for. They have a maximum temperature of 1093 degrees Celsius and an option on the control panel to move between Celsius and Fahrenheit, depending what it is that you prefer. Now the specifications of your SC kiln, they all run on the same power requirements. They're detailed on what we call the compliance plate, which is back here. If ever you need kiln parts, you'll need to take a photo of that particular set of details, email them through to us to make sure we get you the right parts. Now, it is a 240 volt appliance and it runs on single phase. And just to give you an idea, here we go. A 10 amp plug, so any plug that you plug your toaster, kettle, iron into, you can use this kiln.